Hello friend, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to open this and see what inside this. So you can see this one is Beetle Touch company's keyboard. You can see this here, two button is already broken. So let's open it. So you can see this back. So let's open with the help of screwdriver. So as you are able to see that I am going to open it. You can see this. So from this you can see this here 19 screws are came out. So first we have to open this seal of rubber, and you can see this some plastic is here. So and some rubber sucker like structure. So you can see this, and here is some this like Arduino. This can control our keyboard. So you can see this one is like this. So there is nothing along with this, there is these things only. So you can see this. So this one is front keys. So let's now going to reassemble it. So let's reassemble it. So as you are able to see guys, I had assembled it. So hope you like this video. So like, share, comment, subscribe.